What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK.
Blessings, viewers and subscribers. Big up on a cell, man. I don't know the thing going on, man. The attacking boss there, NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean, say attack. So right over upon social media now, my people. I see a lot of people are mourn, a lot of people are growing, a lot of people are ball out. People, see? Because basically, people, a man who has been known to many people in Jamaica, people, you understand, especially females now, my viewers and subscribers, who some say is a social media personality, some say is a promoter, you understand, some say is a businessman, you know what I mean? Some person say it's just a person in the entertainment business, while some people is just saying this man is a very cool person, great person, jovial person, people. Who many knows as Rikcy Tikki. Yeah, my people, Rikcy Tikki. Well, sadly, my people, news is reaching to the attacking boss is that sometime today upon the Friday now, my viewers and subscribers. You understand? Sometime today, Friday, September the 10th, 2021, my people. Down there on the highway, you understand? Some part of the highway in RI0S, St. Anne, Jamaica, my people. A car was seen, people. A car was seen. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? You say a car did the and thing, and you know what I mean? People are wondering, I say, yo, the car the parks, this a chuckle same way and thing, my people. You understand? So when person comes to boom and then go over to the car, my viewers and subscribers, when them look, them see a person side of the car suffering what suspected to be gunshot wounds, my people. People comes about quick one. Someone call up the police. Police come on the scene, people, and when them check, they found Rikcy Tikki, people, suffering from gunshot wounds to his upper body. Then comes a boom, rush him to the hospital, and when he was taken to the hospital, my people, he was pronounced dead. But basically, what them say is him gone already, people. You understand? Cause him dep on the spot for a little while, bleed out and everything, people. And a lot of people right now say, yo, them can't believe this man has gone. Some people are commenting and say, yo, heaven has gained the angel right now. You understand? Because based on every comment when I say people, nobody not have nothing bad to say about this man. It's pure good. See? But there was something really behind why persons would really want to get Rikcy Tikki out, my people. You understand? There is something behind it. And they did get him out, my viewers and subscribers. Sadly, them get him out. You understand? But all me can say, my people, right now, boy, the devil lego. Zine, we are worried about COVID, people, but there is so much other things out there for worry. On a daily basis, accident happening in Jamaica, how much people are dying on the road. Zine, the guns claiming so much life, people. COVID, you understand, plus a lot of different things out there, my people. So, all what me can say, every day you wake up, you go in, got your bed, you know what I mean? Just give God thanks, people. Just give God thanks. Because you just don't know. Because if a man knows such and such, you know, he may not this problem and that. You feel say him going to put himself in a certain place, my people. No, him not going to do it because I not expect certain things to happen, people. But deep inside as them say, yo, you would do think this and I think that, but the next man there's a plan right around the corner around there, people. If you just nab your 3 points like that. And sadly, people, then comes a woman them slap Rikcy Tikki. You know what I mean? But you don't know the thing of my viewers and subscribers. It's just the breaking part of the news, man. And any more update I get onto this, my people, I will definitely share it with you all. So I just more love, more respect, and more blessings to know my people. And just be safe out there, be good and be great people. But all I can say, yo, it's rough and it's tough for y'all people. Walk good, walk safe. Out there, it not pretty. Peace out every time. Big up. Attack them NEWLINK.